Welcome to this video on the Supreme Court en banc decision in McDonald's Corp versus CIR. This ruling from August 8, 2023 significantly redefines what constitutes a, quote, false return and clarifies the application of the 10-year extraordinary tax assessment period. In this video, we will explore the background and antecedents of this landmark case, examining the audit proceedings that eventually led to the Supreme Court's review. The case involved McDonald's Philippines Realty Corporation, a branch of a Delaware entity. Following a 2007 audit, the BIR claimed the company failed to pay VAT on rental and interest receipts, issuing a deficiency assessment long after the standard 3-year period had expired. Here is the procedural history. After the initial audit in 2008 and the assessment in 2012, the case went through the tax court system between 2014 and 2018. Ultimately, in August 2023, the Supreme Court en banc reversed those earlier findings. The core of the legal controversy rests on the interplay between Section 203 and Section 222A of the National Internal Revenue Code. Section 203 establishes the general 3-year prescriptive period for tax assessments. However, Section 222A provides an exception, allowing for a 10-year period in cases of false or fraudulent returns, or a total failure to file. The BIR invoked the Section 248B presumption, which suggests that a substantial underdeclaration of income exceeding 30% creates a prima facie case for a false return, triggering that 10-year window. This video now turns to the landmark judicial ruling, where the Supreme Court provides its definitive interpretation of false returns in Philippine tax law. The court effectively abandoned the 1975 Aznar Doctrine, which held that any deviation from the truth triggered the 10-year period. The new standard requires that a, quote, false return must involve a deliberate, willful, or intentional misstatement. In this specific case, the taxpayer successfully rebutted the intent to evade by showing full disclosure of income in their returns and demonstrating that their tax position was based on an honest legal doubt. This table summarizes the shift in the rules. The new standard moves away from viewing all errors as false returns, instead emphasizing the necessity of intent and the possibility of rebutting presumptions through good faith. To summarize, the 3-year statute of limitations is a vital right. The BIR faces a higher bar for justifying the 10-year period, and consistent disclosure is key to proving good faith. Thank you for watching this overview of the McDonald's Philippines Realty Corporation decision. You can find the image source used in this video listed here.